Azhar Saeed Dawood declared individual terrorists under new law. Jaish-e-Mohammed chief Masood Azhar, Lashkar-e-Taiba chief Hafiz Saeed, Zakiur Rehman Lakhvi and underworld don Dawood Ibrahim have been declared individual terrorists by the government. This comes nearly a month after Parliament amended the Unlawful Activities Prevention Act, 1967. The newly amended Act provides for putting a travel ban on individuals declared as terrorists. Hong Kong leader withdraws China extradition bill that sparked protests. Hong Kong leader Carrie Lam on Wednesday announced the withdrawal of an extradition bill that triggered months of anti-government protests. The bill proposed to let criminal suspects to be extradited to mainland China. Lam had suspended the bill in June and had later said that it was dead, but had refused to withdraw it entirely. PAC delegates try to raise J&K issue at UNICEF meet. India stops them after Pakistan tried to raise the Kashmir issue at a UNICEF event in Sri Lanka on Tuesday. Indian parliamentary delegation stopped their bid. Congress MP Gaurav Gogoi, who was part of the delegation, said it's highly unfortunate Pakistan tried to internationalize the matter at a child rights conference. Meanwhile, BJP MP Sanjay Jaiswal asserted that Kashmir was India's internal matter. PAC protesters damage Indian embassy in London. Mayor calls it unacceptable. Hundreds of Pakistani protesters have staged violent protests outside Indian High Commission in London over Article 370 revocation in J&K. Protesters hurled eggs and stones at the High Commission and broke windows and damaged the premises. Pakistan origin London Mayor Sadiq Khan tweeted, "I utterly condemn this unacceptable behavior and have raised this incident with police to take action. Unacceptable." India after PAC protesters damage Indian embassy in India on Wednesday raised strong objections after hundreds of Pakistani protesters staged violent protests outside the Indian High Commission in London over the abrogation of Article 370. Calling the incident unacceptable, India stated, "This is the second time in less than a month that such an incident has taken place affecting security of our mission." Meanwhile, 2 people have been arrested